What's up, entrepreneurs? Are you ready to seize the moment and make your dreams a reality? It's Gary Vee here, and let me tell you, there's never been a better time to be an entrepreneur. The opportunities are endless, and the tools at your disposal are more powerful than ever. The internet has leveled the playing field, giving everyone a chance to succeed, regardless of background or resources. One of the biggest game changers? Amazon. This platform has revolutionized the way we do business. This platform is an absolute beast, offering unparalleled reach and efficiency. Millions of customers are just waiting to buy. The potential is enormous, and the market is ripe for the taking. You have the opportunity to tap into this massive marketplace. Build your own brand, control your own destiny, create something that truly represents you and your vision. Whether you're a side hustler or looking to go full-time, Amazon has room for you. Don't overthink it, just start. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. Take action and figure it out along the way. That's how you win. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Your success is just around the corner. Now let's talk about finding the right product to sell. This is huge. You need something that people actually want, something with demand. Think about it. What are people searching for? What problems need solving? Find a product that fills a gap in the market, something unique, something special. Look at trends. What's hot right now? What's gaining momentum? Jump on board and ride that wave. But remember, you need to be passionate about your product. Okay, so how do you actually find these winning products? Research, research, research. Amazon itself is your best tool. Use the search bar. See what's selling well. Look at the bestseller rank, or BSR. Pay attention to customer reviews. What do people love? What do they hate? Use this information to your advantage. Don't be afraid to spy on the competition. See what they're doing right. Even better, see what they're doing wrong. You can learn from their mistakes and come out on top. Section 4, Hot Categories for 2024. Need some inspiration for your next big idea? Here are a few product categories that are absolutely crushing it in 2024. These trends are shaping the market and driving consumer interest. Home office essentials. Remote work is here to stay. With more people working from home, the demand for comfortable and efficient home office setups is skyrocketing. Think ergonomic chairs, standing desks, blue light glasses, and noise-canceling headphones. These items are not just luxuries but necessities for a productive work environment. Sustainable living products. People are becoming more eco-conscious. The shift towards sustainability is more than a trend. It's a movement. Bamboo toothbrushes, reusable water bottles, and eco-friendly cleaning supplies are in high demand. Consumers are actively seeking products that reduce their environmental footprint. Pet products. We love our furry friends. The pet industry is seeing unprecedented growth as more people invest in the well-being of their pets. The pet industry is booming. From nutritious treats to innovative toys, there's a wide range of products capturing pet owners' attention. Look into innovative toys, personalized accessories, and healthy treats. These products not only enhance pets' lives, but also offer great business opportunities. Remember, this is just a starting point. The market is vast and full of potential. Do your own research and find your niche. Tailoring your offerings to meet specific consumer needs can set you apart in a competitive market. Section 5. Success stories to fuel your fire. Let me tell you about some everyday people just like you who took the leap and found success on Amazon. These are individuals who dared to dream big and took the necessary steps to turn those dreams into reality. There's this one guy, started in his garage, selling phone cases. He had a simple idea and a lot of determination. Now he's running a multi-million-dollar business. His journey from a small garage to a large office is truly inspiring. Another woman, she was a stay-at-home mom. She wanted to create something special for her child, started making organic baby food in her kitchen. Her passion for healthy homemade food resonated with many parents. Couldn't keep up with the demand. Orders started pouring in from everywhere. Now she's employing other moms and empowering her community. These stories are everywhere. They show how one person's success can uplift an entire community. These are ordinary people who took action and made their dreams a reality. They faced challenges but never gave up. You can do it too. With the right mindset and effort, your success story could be the next one we share.